We all love woodworking. It's a craft that brings satisfaction and allows us to create beautiful, useful things. But woodworking also comes with risks. Our workshops are filled with powerful tools. These tools demand our respect. Safety should always be our top priority. When we're careless, accidents can happen. Even a small slip-up can lead to a serious injury. That's why it's crucial to approach every task with caution. Always wear appropriate safety gear. This includes eye protection, hearing protection, and even a dust mask. Remember, a safe workshop is a productive workshop. Before you even plug in a tool, understand its operation. Read the manual thoroughly. Learn about its safety features and how to use them. Take the time to practice using the tool. Get comfortable with its controls and how it handles different materials. By prioritizing safety, we can enjoy woodworking for years to come. The table saw is a fundamental tool in any woodworking shop. It's versatile and powerful, but it's also one of the most dangerous tools we use. Table saw accidents are unfortunately common. They can result in serious injuries, sometimes even life-altering ones. The spinning blade of a table saw presents a significant hazard. A moment of inattention or a slight miscalculation can have severe consequences. Fingers, hands, and even arms are at risk if they come into contact with the blade. Kickback, where a workpiece is violently thrown back towards the operator, is another dangerous occurrence. These accidents can happen to anyone, even experienced woodworkers. That's why it's essential to be aware of the risks associated with table saws. We need to take every precaution to prevent these accidents. Fortunately, advancements in table saw technology are offering new solutions to enhance safety. For years, woodworkers have accepted the inherent risks of using a table saw. We've relied on our skills, experience, and safety precautions to minimize those risks. But what if there was a way to make table saws significantly safer? What if we could drastically reduce the severity of table saw injuries? That's the idea behind SawStop, a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about table saw safety. SawStop is more than just a safety feature. It's a complete system designed to virtually eliminate serious blade contact injuries. This innovation has the potential to revolutionize woodworking safety. SawStop table saws look and operate like traditional table saws, but with one crucial difference. They can detect when flesh comes into contact with the blade. And when that happens, the SawStop system activates in a fraction of a second, stopping the blade before a serious injury can occur.